Dearest pen pals, have you ever wished upon a shooting star? Did your wish come true? Here at Goldspot, we wished for a shooting star, and this is what we got. In this pen profile, we take a look at the magical Benu Talisman fountain pen. A talisman is an object believed to have magical powers, which are granted to its owner. For example, when you find a penny that's heads up, it's considered a lucky penny. In the Talisman collection, Benu infuses each fountain pen with a substance that has mythological attributes such as good luck, prosperity, healing, and protection against evil. It's a common belief that if you wish upon a shooting star, your wish will come true. As you know, a shooting star is not actually a star. It's a meteorite entering Earth's atmosphere. Yet, the falling space rock takes on a supernatural mystique. For the Talisman shooting star, Benu added meteorite stone powder to the material of the pen body. Holographic stars float in between the shimmering deep blue and translucent turquoise of the pen's opposing ends. The body of the Talisman pen has an elongated honeycomb pattern of facets around the cap and barrel. A sword-shaped rocker-style clip and silver-filled Benu logo complete the rounded cap. Not convinced this pen is magical enough? Watch this. After charging under natural light, or LEDs, or desk lamps, the pen's body and cap glow in the dark. So you can get an idea of the Benu Talisman size. I compared it here with the Narwhal Key West and the Sailor Professional Gear regular fountain pens, shown here. In contrast with the pocket-sized Benu pen designs like the Briolette and Chameleon, the Talisman is slightly larger than the average-sized pen. Unscrewing the cap 2 1/4 rotations uncovers the tapered grip section and stainless steel No. 6 nib made by Schmidt in Germany. The nib is decorated with scroll work along the shoulders. Below the breather hole, you'll find the nib size stamped in script surrounded by a fancy frame. The Talisman is available in fine, medium, or broad nib options. Choose between the plug-and-play long international ink cartridge or the standard twist piston converter included with each pen. For maximum ink capacity, you could eyedropper ink directly into the barrel and silicone grease the threads for a secure seal. Wish I may, wish I might. With this Benu, I shall write. For this demonstration, I inked the Talisman shooting star with Sailor Shikiori Yuki Akari ink. Most writers will be familiar with the German-made Jowo No. 6 size nib. The Schmidt nibs are similar in line width, producing a .32mm, .42mm, and .55mm line for the fine, medium, and broad nibs respectively. Since I have the memory of writing with Esterbrook's Jowo nibs fresh in my mind, I feel the Benu's Schmidt nibs are very similar with a couple of subtle differences. For a steel nib, it has slightly more pliability than you might expect. All three nib sizes seem to exhibit a higher degree of feedback compared to Jowo. As with most nibs, the larger the Benu nib size, the smoother the writing experience. Since the Talisman is made mostly of resin save the pocket clip and the steel nib, the overall pen weight is light. Even with the cap posted on the back, the pen is easy to streak across the page. The sparkly resin grip section and barrel threads offer a comfortable area for your fingers to grasp. Although I picked the light turquoise of Yuki Akari, there are many blue fountain pen inks that would be an excellent match for this shooting star. Others I would recommend are Robert Oster Shimmy Blue Moon, Diamine Shimmertastic Arctic Blue, Diamine Shimmertastic Blue Lightning, Colorverse Supernova, and Pilot Irsuzuku Konpeki. Benu packages the Talisman pen in the standard 2-part Benu paperboard gift box. The top and bottom are finished in matte white texture with handwritten decoration on the top lid. Inside the box, the pen is enclosed in a white envelope with the Benu logo foil embellishment. Also included on a bed of shredded paper are the blue international ink cartridge, an instruction and warranty booklet, and a pamphlet that shares the namesake inspiration behind the design. The Benu Talisman fountain pen starts at $128 for the non-luminous designs and $139 for the luminous glow-in-the-dark designs like Shooting Star and Mandrake. In late 2021, Benu introduced the Talisman in seasonal limited editions such as Mistletoe and Wild Rose. The Shooting Star is the latest design, limited to 300 pieces, and is only available at Goldspot Pens using the link in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this pen profile of the Benu Talisman Shooting Star fountain pen. Leave a thumbs up if you already own this pen, or if this video helped you purchase a pen. If there's a pen you'd like to see profiled in an upcoming video, please let me know in the comments. If you can't get enough glittery goodness, check out our review of the Benu Euphoria collection in this video here. Want more extravagant, flashy pens? Check out our top 5 most opulent pens list here. Subscribe to the Goldspot Pens channel to keep in touch about all the latest and greatest in fine writing. Thank you for watching, and stay inky, my friends. Take care.